how to change language in Google Gemini. If you want to chat with Google Gemini and in different language, then don't worry. All you need to do is follow these few simple steps. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. So first thing, open Google Gemini. On top left hand side, you will find this menu icon, tap on it. Now tap on settings located on bottom of your screen and scroll down all the way to bottom and then go to settings. And here on the middle of your screen, you will see this option languages, so tap on it. And then here you will see this option add another language, so tap on it. Now simply select the language that you want to choose. You can scroll down and find more languages. Once you find the language that you want to change into, simply tap on it. And if you go back, here you can see you have successfully added that language to chat with Google Gemini. So this is how you can change or add multiple languages in Google Gemini. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.